Good evening, everybody. My name is Nicole Leach. I am a passionate chemistry student proudly affiliated with Sunscreen College, and the title of my presentation is Why Choosing a Sunscreen is Still an Enigma, a Chemical Approach to Effective Decision Making. We all use sunscreens to protect ourselves from ultraviolet light, which causes sunburn, aging, and skin cancer. But how much do we really know about the active ingredients used in our sunscreens? And is it enough to make an informed decision as a sunscreen consumer? Sunscreens contain active ingredients, which are either organic or inorganic chemicals. The organic ingredients absorb the UV light before your skin can, while the inorganic ingredients physically block the UV light, causing it to reflect away. Although sunscreens are vital for skin protection, emerging research, including mine, has identified negative health and environmental impacts. However, it's unclear how impacts such as these affect consumer choice during purchase. For my research, I'm investigating if students with a background in chemistry are able to identify chemical markers in these products, and if the information is adequate and accessible for making informed decisions. With Ethics Board approval, I reached out to past and present Trent chemistry students who had completed courses in analytical, organic, inorganic, and green chemistry. Students were asked to voluntarily participate in this study, where I provided consenting students with information about the chemical active ingredients from the multiple aspects of chemistry they were familiar with. Students then answered survey questions relating to those active ingredients after they had reviewed those data sheets. Their responses were taken anonymously and then they were analyzed. Only 57% of students knew that sunscreens were considered to be drugs regulated by Health Canada. This could be why 76% of students only factor in SPF value and price when purchasing a sunscreen. But as a result of my research on human health and environmental impacts of sunscreen active ingredients, which I presented to students, there's a clear shift in the perception of the students from purchasing a sunscreen based only on function and price to incorporating the human health and environmental impacts in their decision. 23% of students incorporated these impacts at the beginning of the study compared to 73% at the end. This shows that when presented with data critical to making effective decisions, students are able to recognize the implications these active ingredients have on humans and the environment. However, this data is still not easily accessible in language that's understood by everyone. 100% of students believe that it's concerning when no such data is available to them during purchase. I'm calling on sunscreen brands to include multi-chemical knowledge in their sunscreen products to make information easily accessible, and I'm calling on you to do your research before you get to the store. That way you have adequate knowledge to make an informed decision. Thank you.